G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's food review time, and today I'm at beautiful Burleigh Heads on the Gold Coast. What a magnificent spot, mate. If you're ever on the Goldie, you got to come to Burleigh Heads, mate. It's really good. And, well, recently there's been a new shop open up in James Street, which is the main street there, called the Yiros shop. Now, they've got a few shops around Brisbane, but this is their first one on the Gold Coast. So I'm going to whip in and grab a Euro and give one a go. Let's go get one. Woo-wee, it's hot out there. Anyway, here it is. The Euro. It cost me $15.50. And, mate, there's not much to it. And, well, today I got the regular lamb. Anyway, let's suss it out. I don't think I've had a Euro on my channel before. Here we go. So it looks like. And, well, I can sort of see inside there. There's like some chips. Looks like some chips in there and bits of lamb and looks like a tomato and some sort of sauce. In fact, it's a tzatziki sauce. You know, that yogurt with cucumber, maybe some olive oil, salt and pepper, maybe some vinegar even. Could have lemon juice too. But yes, so that's it. $15.50. Boy. Man, that sounds expensive. But I'm really hoping it tastes awesome. Right, let's try some lamb. Oh. Wow. I haven't had lamb for a while, and mate, this lamb is so good. It's so tender. Wow. Tastes really... Well, it tastes exactly like lamb. Like, it doesn't taste like anything else. It's got that unique, beautiful lamb flavour. Wow, that tastes great. Oh, wow. Oh, it's so nice. And it comes with chips too. That seems strange. Let's see how good they are. Oh, they've got a really nice coating on the top. They're a little soggy now, but yeah, I can tell that they're good tasting chips. And by the way, the Euro shop has got a 4.4 Google star rating, so I'll be giving it my own Google star rating afterwards. Anyway, I've been looking at this long enough. I'm excited. Haven't had one of these in years. So let's go. Oh. Oh, yum. Oh, yeah. That is really tasty. Oh, that tastes so good. Wow. That tzatziki yogurt sauce is really good. Wow, and it just all blends in together so well. Takes me back to those days where I was in Greece. The ones I can remember when I wasn't on that Ratsina stuff. You know the one? Well, if you've been to Greece, you will. But boy, this is really tasty. Wow. I think I'm just going to keep eating it for a while. Oh, I just saw here. It's got some red onions on there as well. Oh, yeah. Yummo. And it looks like there's a substantial amount of meat as well. It's not like they went skimpy on it. They've put enough meat in there, and well, it is lamb, and well, if you don't like lamb, then you ain't tried enough of it. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow. Let's see. That is good. Oh yeah. Just one more bite, please, Greg. My taste buds are begging. Oh, yeah. Wow. And the lamb in here is just so tender as well. Haven't come across any big fatty chunks. Anyway, I think I've had enough of it now to know what Grego's star rating this Yiro's gonna get. Well, $15.50, mate. That is expensive. Whoa. But for what you're getting for that price is something that just tastes so good. Really authentic tasting, and the flavour of this just seems so simple, but man, does it taste so nice. I wasn't sure if the chips were going to work in there, but oh man, does it all work so well together. You can hardly taste them, but man, the carbs that it adds to it is really nice. And oh mate, what a great feast. The lamb tastes so nice, it's so soft and tender, and the flavour's great. That tzatziki sauce is absolutely delicious, and like everything on it just tastes so nice. So I reckon for my Grego 5-star rating, I'm going to give it 4.8 Grego stars. Man, this is expensive, but it's worth every bite. It tastes so good, and oh boy, if you're ever around Burleigh Heads and you want a nice Yiro, you want something different to try, some authentic Greek food, mate, whip into that Yiros shop. Mate, it is brand new, there's plenty of seating there as well, and well, if you just want to walk to the beach, you can as well. So yeah, great Yiro, great food, tastes great, a little on the expensive side, but hey mate, sometimes you got to pay extra for the stuff that tastes really good. Well, anyway, I think I might go to the beach and go for a walk and try and walk this Yiro off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat a Yiro. See you then. Oh yeah.